What's up, everybody? It's Gavin here with NBA Real Talk, and today we're going to be opening up one of these, the 2021 Prizm Draft Picks Basketball Trading Cards. 4 cards per pack, 7 cards in a box. Unwrap a blaster exclusive Purple Wave Prizm per box. So let's see if we can get something good. Probably should have brought an X-Acto knife, but you know. An ogre with these hands. There we are. There we go. Pack number 1, 4 cards coming up. I wonder if these are the college cards. I think they are. Looks like it, yeah. So we've got Luka Garza, Franz Wagner, give him a throw in for now, Karl Anthony Towns, and Scotty B, Scotty Barnes, rookie card. Might be worth a buck or two. Florida State. Very nice. Scotty. I'm happy with that pack just from that alone. Very nice. All right. 3 out of 4 ain't bad. 3 out of 4 ain't bad. Let's see what's coming up next. Rajon Rondo. Back in the Kentucky days. Kevin Love. UCLA. Good looking card. Jonathan Kuminga. Card. And Donovan Mitchell. Refractor, or you know, whatever that is. Some kind of special card. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh, I'll put him over Franz. All right, not bad so far. Not bad. Pretty happy with that. Pulled some good cards so far. Davion Mitchell, not bad. Devin Booker, not bad. Looking like a baby. Sometimes hard to believe because I think he's still, like he's under 30. He's probably like 27-ish. It's like, man, he's actually been in the league for a long time. Could still be getting better. Put D-Book over Karl Anthony. Greg Brown. We got nice, this Prizm Jason kid. Very nice. Like you can practically see me in that thing. That's a nice card. You know what? For now, we're taking Scotty off. Roll J Kid. These are some nice packs so far. I'm pretty stoked. It's hard to believe you can get much better than this, but it could. They don't rip the best. There we go. Cade Cunningham. There we go. Rookie card. Put over Donovan. Jalen Johnson. Chris Paul. And a Jalen Suggs on campus. Oh, my dryer going off. And cool card. Gonzaga University. I went to Gonzaga once for a basketball tournament at the end of high school. In Canada. I'm gonna have to stop the video and deal with that. Steph Curry. Nice. Put him over Book. All right, I'm gonna have to pause the video after this and go take care of that dryer. Kai Jones. He's not having the best of luck right now, but oh, speaking of not the best of luck, Ben Simmons. Ugh. Who knows what that card could have been, you know, I don't want to say worth, but how much it could have meant to people. How little it means now. Hard to feel sorry for this guy, but at the end of the day, I hope he gets it together because he's a very talented player. Look at that. Jimmy Butler. That nice refractor. It's a beautiful card. Very nice. Marquette, I think. Yes. All right, guys. Gonna have to pause before these last couple packs. Be right back. All right, I can just feel it. It's gonna start going off again now that I sat back down, but let's see if we can get through these last couple packs without any problems. Got some good pulls so far, guys. Sharif Cooper. Dame Dollar. Very nice. Yeah, we're gonna have to overtake Jimmy with him. Trey Murphy. Brandon Boston Jr. rookie card. Oh, let's shine real nice. All right, guys, one more pack. Let's see what we get. JT Thor. Nice. There's my boy, AI. Oh, you know, he's taking center. He's taking center and ain't nothing gonna overtake him. That Bulldog, Reebok needs to bring back that Bulldog. That Georgetown Hoya Bulldog. Jeremiah Robinson Earl. Rookie card. And on the widescreen we got Jaden Springer on the rookie card. All right, everybody. I don't know about you, but I couldn't be too much happier with that pack. So, yeah, like, comment, subscribe below. We got a few more packs to open up. We'll do another one of the draft picks. Then we'll get on to some NBA Prizm from, I believe, 2021 or 2022. And, yeah. Until next time. Gavin with NBA Real Talk signing out. Talk to you guys next time.